Alright.
Hi, we're going to present Singapore, and the topic is the nature of cities.
Well, Singapore is located on Southeast Asia.
Dice alguien en la puerta.
Well, it is located in Southeast Asia, and it is the only city-state in the world. It is the smallest. It is one of the smallest countries in the world, but one of the biggest cities as well.
Well, Singapore is located between Malaysia and Indonesia, and the climate there is tropical.
People there actually take advantage of their climate because they usually have a lot of like for clean energy. They have a lot of like solar panels and everything for the houses.
The city is normally really clean because the people take responsibility for their garbage and they take care about well, the look of the city. Well, Singapore has a lot of languages, such as English, Tamil, and Malay, and standard Mandarin, which are the ones that they speak the most.
That's because Singapore is one of the most multicultural cities. A lot of people go there because they want to find a better job or a better life quality. The most famous museums in Singapore are the National Museum of Singapore. That's where they expose a lot of famous paints and everything. Then the Asian Civilization Museum, and there's where they have a lot of stuff about Asia.
And also the Singapore Art Museum, which is one of the most famous ones. They have a lot of art pieces that are really important. Well, there are some of the most important monuments in Singapore, and one of them is the Merlion, which is located on the Merlion Park, and it's kind of lion fish, and it's in front of the Fullerton Hotel.
Then the Marina Bay Sands is a complex that has a hotel and also big gardens in the back, and it is very famous because in the top of the hotel they have a pool with a very nice view to the city.
And there's also gardens by the bay at night, which are some like artificial trees that at night they
They
shine.
also take advantage of the weather here because of the solar energy. These trees light up with solar energy.
Yeah.
And finally, the question.
Do you think the cities in the future will be like Singapore?
What do you
Raise your
think?
hand.
Like what? That's a yes or no question.
¿Cómo?
Yes, and why?
So if you said what,
Because I don't know, globalization is improving, and well, every technological improvement will someday reach to every part of the world.
all right, very good, thank you. Give them an applause.
Tenemos casi 14.